Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. Thank you for spending your time on my channel. I really appreciate it. We sometimes get people that send messages that can be guides, that can be other people, and those messages are actually meant for you where you are standing at this point in time, knowing that you know how to see potential. You know how to bring the unconscious to light. And this is what can help you on your journey ahead. It's also important understanding that only when we basically hit rock bottom, that is when we can stand up like a phoenix out of the fire and grow again. And loosen your grip. Trust the universe.